Wes here at SureTechAssembly.com. Someone once said there's 1,000 ways to die, and that's certainly true in wire and cable termination. This series will take you through some of the common failures and their causes. Today we look at IDC connectors. IDC stands for Insulation Displacement Connector. This ingenious design pierces the insulation with the preloaded connector terminal. Sometimes you see these in ribbon cables. They're also known as MTAs. The advantage to this system is it eliminates the normal crimp and block steps, thus minimizing manufacturing process. Now, there's one critical specification that must be maintained in order to get a quality product. IDC connectors are generally designed for 7-strand wire. However, wire comes also in 19-strand and even 32 strands depending on the flexibility requirements. This is especially true of wires that are embedded inside of components, as oftentimes these are high flex requirements requiring a higher strand count. When a high strand count wire is applied to an IDC connector, the conductor packet cannot sustain the pressure applied and the contact will become intermittent on the connection. Ultimately, a failure will occur in the field. It is essential both in the design and manufacture of the product that the proper wire selection and application is maintained. If you're looking for quality cable assemblies at ultra competitive pricing, check us out at SureTechAssembly.com. We connect.